Yeah, definitely. And, one of the challenges I hear from our readers is that they get all this data from their telematics. And it's too, it's almost like drinking from a fire hose. It's too much. So it sounds like you guys collect the data, but also break it down for them and maybe even get into like a consultative role.
100%. So what we're doing is collecting, combining, and analyzing a wealth of data. Think about data coming from people systems and coming from warehousing and routing and the vehicles and the equipment and the tools coming into one place so that it can be scrubbed and normalized. And then, of course, analyzed to provide those insights that we all need every day to focus on the right things at the right times. And when organizations are overwhelmed by what they even see in our platform, for example, then they have someone beside them all along their journey with us to be that consultative arm to help them enhance